Before buying a wall mount for your 65-inch TV, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all mounts are created equal, and some can really make or break your viewing experience. Product number 1, USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount caught my attention right away, especially with its price at $37.96. It's designed for TVs between 32 and 70 inches and can hold up to 99 pounds. If you want flexibility and a solid mount without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mount features dual articulating arms that allow for tilt and swivel, so you can adjust it to get the perfect angle. It tilts up to 15 degrees and swivels left or right, making it great if you have a wider seating arrangement. Plus, the mounting bracket supports VESA patterns up to 400x400, which is quite standard for most TVs. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the clear instructions and use the provided templates, it should be straightforward. But if you're not comfortable with tools, you might want to consider hiring someone. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, versatile wall mount for your medium-sized TV. Skip this one if you're looking for a mount that supports larger TVs or heavier weights, as it maxes out at 99 pounds. For its price, it offers great value. Now, if the installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount MD2380. The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount MD2380 is another solid choice, priced at $50.62. It's tailored for 32 to 65-inch TVs and can also support up to 99 pounds. If you want a mount that enhances your viewing experience, this one is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you. The MD2380 allows for a maximum tilt of 15 degrees down and 5 degrees up, which helps reduce glare, something you definitely want during those sunny afternoons. Plus, it pulls out to 17.5 inches from the wall, giving you plenty of flexibility to find the best viewing angle. The robust build with 6 articulating arms ensures it's sturdy, so you won't have to worry about your TV wobbling. Now, some users found it hard to adjust after installation. Here's the thing, while it can be a bit finicky, the +3 degrees post-installation adjustment can help you level your TV perfectly. So it's not a deal breaker if you're careful during setup. This is perfect for you if you're after a flexible mounting option and want to cut down on glare. Skip this one if you're looking for a more straightforward fixed mount. For the features it offers, it's well worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger TVs. Product number 3, Mounting Dream Universal Tilt TV Mount. Next up is the Mounting Dream Universal Tilt TV Mount, priced at $37.96. This mount fits TVs from 37 to 75 inches and supports a hefty 132 pounds. If you need a simple solution that saves space, this might be just what you're looking for. Additionally, it tilts forward up to 8 degrees to help minimize glare, which can be really annoying during peak sunlight hours. It's designed for easy installation and comes with clear instructions that can help you get it up in no time. Now, some users did mention that they wished it had full motion capabilities. Here's the thing though. If you're someone who primarily watches from one position, this is a perfect option without the extra complexity of swivel features. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, space-saving mount for a larger TV. Skip this one if you need the flexibility to move your TV around frequently. For the price and simplicity, it's a good deal. Now, if you're looking for more flexibility, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount is priced at $63.28 and fits TVs from 42 to 90 inches, making it a versatile choice. If you want a top-notch range and adjustability, this is worth checking out. This mount can hold up to 132 pounds and supports a variety of VESA patterns, which means it's compatible with most TVs. It features tilt angles from +5 degrees to -15 degrees and a swivel range of +or -45 degrees. allowing you to find just the right angle no matter where you're sitting. Also, it can pull out to 16.49 inches, which is fantastic if you want to adjust it frequently. Now, some users mentioned that the installation manual could be clearer. Here's the thing. While it might require some patience to figure out, once it's up, you'll love how adjustable it is. This is perfect for you if you have a larger TV and want maximum flexibility. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, fixed mount. Given its features, it's a great investment for your viewing pleasure. And if you want something more affordable, the next one might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, Full Motion TV Wall Mount by USX Mount. Finally, we have the Full Motion TV Wall Mount by USX Mount, which is priced at $50.62. This option is great for most flat-screen TVs between 37 and 84 inches and supports weights up to 120 pounds. If you're looking for a reliable mount with excellent range, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out about this mount is its dual articulating arms that provide significant tilt and swivel capabilities, up to plus 5 degrees/15 degrees tilt and plus or minus 45 degrees swivel. This means you can easily adjust the angle to suit your seating arrangement, which makes for a much more comfortable viewing experience. Plus, it retracts back to just 2.62 inches from the wall for a sleek look. Here's the thing, this mount is designed for wood studs, so if you're mounting on drywall, you might need to consider that before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible and stylish mount for a large TV. Skip this one if you're mounting on concrete without the right additional anchors. For the price, you get a lot of features that are hard to beat. So to wrap things up, we've covered the USX Mount Full Motion, Mounting Dream MD2380, Mounting Dream Universal Tilt, USX Mount Full Motion for larger TVs, and the Full Motion by USX Mount. Each of these mounts serves a different need, whether it's budget-friendly options, space-saving designs, or maximum flexibility for larger TVs. Choose the one that fits your situation best and enjoy your viewing experience.